name is Elena and I'm 10 years old. And we're going to make yogurt
dip. And you study English?
Yes, with Nitu.
With Nitu, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you tell the ingredients, please? What is this?
Yogurt.
How much yogurt?
6.
6 cups of yogurt.
Yes, sure. 6 cups.
What is this?
This is chili powder.
What color is it?
Red.
So you have to say this is red chili powder.
Okay.
Okay, what is this? Can you show it up for people? Yes.
Yes. This is onion powder.
Very good. This
is black pepper.
powder.
Black pepper powder. Okay. And this is garlic powder.
Very good. This is the main ingredient. What is this?
This is onion soup.
Yeah, can you show it like this?
Okay. This is
Onion soup, yeah?
Yes.
What is this cut here?
This is cilantro and green
Onion.
Yes, green onion.
Okay, perfect. So we have mixed the yogurt, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to put the whole envelope of this.
Yes.
The whole thing. Yes. Will you do it for me, please?
Yes, I'm doing this. Done.
Can you mix it?
Yes, I'm gonna mix.
Mix it carefully
Yes.
and make sure it's all well mixed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
Are you going to tell people why you're learning this?
Because it's tasty.
How do you know it's tasty?
Because I already tried it
Where did you try it?
at the picnic.
Yeah, you went on a picnic with Nitu, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let me do it quickly. Otherwise, we're going to be here till tomorrow morning. Okay, so once this is well mixed, okay, you're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Start with the onion powder first, please.
Okay.
You're going to add a teaspoon. Do you know what is a teaspoon?
Yes, this.
Yes. You're going to put the spoon in it so that, and then
Okay.
take this, okay? You have to tell people this is your first cooking class ever, yeah?
Like this.
Yes.
7.
You can put a little more.
Okay.
Yeah, that much will do. Okay. So 2 teaspoons, okay? You're going to write the recipe later, right?
Yes.
Now, can we have the garlic powder, please?
Garlic powder here.
Carefully, you're going to put a whole teaspoon, the same teaspoon,
Okay.
because the other one doesn't fit. Does this one fit?
No.
Does that one fit? Try.
No.
Okay, so now we have to get you a small teaspoon. This one will fit. Put 2, please,
Okay, 2.
because it's small.
1
1, 2.
and 2.
Okay. What are you going to do now?
We're going to mix it.
Very good. Would you like to talk about your class today? What did you learn?
I learned about adjectives
And adverbs.
adverbs.
Very good. So I will use an adverb. You are mixing this beautifully.
Yes, beautifully.
Okay, now some black pepper to taste. Yeah. More.
Done.
Little more. You like it spicy, don't you? Okay. Now the most important spicy ingredient. The
Chili pepper.
red chili powder. It's a lot. This is Indian chili powder. Yeah, half a teaspoon first, please. Okay, that's it. Mix. Mix it well. Be careful. It doesn't go into your eyes. Okay? Mix it properly. Right. And now we are gonna add
Some cilantro.
all the some green onion, like about, this goes according to taste, okay?
Okay.
We have green onion and we have cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you don't. Enough! You don't add. Okay? But if you love it, you add a lot. What do you do now?
You mix it.
Yeah. Mix it properly. Yes. Let me do it. Now you're going to taste it. Okay?
Okay.
And you're going to tell me if it's spicy enough or not. Here. Now, can you explain to everyone what they can eat this with? Wait, first you taste it.
Okay. It's normal.
Is it spicy?
Yes.
Is it very spicy? Do you want it
Yes.
spicier?
No.
It's enough?
Yes.
Is it too spicy for you?
No.
That means you can eat all the spice. Right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so how do you say bye to everyone and tell them they must try this? In English, what would you say to whoever's watching?
Thanks for watching, and you should try this because it's yummy.
It's yummy, yummy?
Yes.
And you eat it with chips, you eat it with nuggets, you eat it with meat. What else can you eat it with?
You can eat it with potato,
With French fries,
French fries, and
bread.
sandwiches.
Oh, you can put it on sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is Nitu, yes?
Yes.
And Elena
Mm-hmm.
signing off with this very easy yogurt dip recipe. Yeah? Say bye.
Bye.
And in how many languages can you say bye in?
Why?
Just
Okay. Bye.
in English. Say bye in English.
Bye in English. Baka in Russian. Adios in Spanish.
And Valencian?
Valencian is the same that in Spanish.
No, it's adieu.
Adios is the same.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's not adieu?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.